Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the Feg Pro Advance. It's a eyelash and eyebrow enhancer. So if you want to know more about this product, just keep on watching. Hi guys, we're back. So today's video is going to be about how I take care of my lashes. For me, eyelashes are very important, as well as the brows, kasi yung brows, it frames your face. But your lashes, pag wala kang makeup, it automatically opens up your eyes pag maayos yung lashes mo. So today, I'm gonna talk about my lashes. So as you can see, medyo mahaba siya. It's because of a product that was sent to me. This is the Feg Pro Advance. I tried castor oil. Medyo parang matagal yung effect nun. So, I'm so happy that Christina sent me this product. So, ito nga siya. So, the way I use it, every night and then when I go out, or yung morning routine ko, I use it parang eyeliner. Pero wala siyang ano. I'll show you. Hindi ko na siya ma-open. Hindi ko siya ma-open. And then, I lost a nail. So, yun nga. Ganito yung tsura niya when you open it. It's like an eyeliner brush. Pero clear lang siya. So, para nga siyang castor oil. I forgot the ingredients, but I checked naman, parang feeling ko okay naman siya for the brows. Or, the eyelashes. Sabi dito, this is the safest and most effective way to grow amazingly longer, thicker, fuller, beautiful eyelashes and eyebrows. So, not only you can use it for your eyelashes, you can also use it for your brows if you want to grow your eyebrows then. I'm going to review this product for lashes kasi I haven't tried it sa brows kasi full naman yung brows ko eh. Medyo full pa yung brows ko, as you can see. So, mas tinry ko siya sa eyelashes. So, I will put the before and after. Although, long na talaga yung pilik mata ko ever since simula bata pa ako, mahaba ng pilik mata ko. Pero, I've experienced fallout simula nung nanganak ako. Kasama ng buhok ko. Nag-hair fall siya. This product helped me maintain my lashes. As you can see, wala pa yan, wala pa siyang mascara. So, curl ko lang siya real quick and I'll put on a mascara. Pero, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung effect niya after a month. Ayan. A month ko siya tinatry. Nulo, nakita niyo yung mga pause. So, ganyan siya. Ayan, mas kita. Ayan. Dati, long naman yung pilik mata ko. But I need to use volumizing mascara for it to be like, for it maging fuller. Kasi gusto ko volumizing siya. This one, although I did not see significant difference, pero kasi meron akong sparse area dito. Kasi nga kaka-curl siya ata, nababawasan siya. Yun. So, yun napansin ko medyo naging may tumutubong maliliit doon after 2 weeks of using it. By the way, ginagamit ko siya at night and then whenever I do my my morning routine. So, gaganon ko lang siya parang eyeliner. Yung smell niya, wala. Wala siyang smell. Minsan nga, akala ko wala ko ginilalagay. Parang tubig, ganon. So, ganon. Christina said, mas marami daw mas maganda kung a month ko siya i-use. So, 1 month ko siya ginamit and then pinahiram ko siya sa sister-in-law ko. I'll put her before and after pics here. As you can see, kaya ako pinatry sa kanya kasi I want this review to be honest. Hindi sasabihin nyo sa akin na, hindi mahaba ng pilik mata mo eh, kaya yan effective sa'yo. Hindi. I tried it with her, on her. And, kita naman talaga yung difference. Before, kasi medyo na-addict kami sa mag-perm ng lashes dito sa bahay. If you want me to do a video about it, let me know. DLH ko sa perm. lash perm. So, I tried perming hers, pero ang hirap kasi yung lash bands ko, ang kapal. Siya, ang liit talaga ng pilikmata niya. So, nung ginamit niya to, kita niyo naman dito sa picture na to, it's like, wow. As in, humaba. And she asked me pa nga, or we asked Christina, if she stopped using it ba, mawawala yung pilikmata niya. Sabi niya hindi. Fortunately, totoo. Totoo naman. Mahaba pa rin yung lashes niya, pero it's not as long as mine. Siyempre, genetics na rin kasi yun. Pero kasi, humaba siya compared mo dun sa sobrang ikli niyang lashes. At ang hirap niya i-perm dati. Ngayon, bongga na. So, I'm gonna curl my lashes para makita nyo kung gaano siya kahaba. So, here's my lashes curled. And then, I also put a little bit of clear mascara. As you can see, ang haba niya. Thank you for Feg Pro. So, ang pros nito, para sa akin hindi, alam mo yun, para sa akin hindi mahilig mag-put ng anything sa mukha. Religiously. Yun lang. Matagal ang results. Pero if you religiously put it on your eyelashes, ang bilis na results. Like yung sister-in-law ko, parang 2 weeks pa lang meron na. Kasi kahit may sakit daw siya, naglalagay siya. Another advantage is that the packaging, di ba ang castor oil, we have this nakalagay sa mascara one. This one, parang eyeliner siya, so it really reaches your roots. Isang vial nito, it lasted us for 2 months. Imagine that. Sulit na sulit. Alam ko yung presyo nito is like 700 do sa shop ni Christina. Pero sobrang sulit na siya for 2 months. Essential na nag-tint ako. Sobrang sulit niya for 2 months. And what I really like about it is that nung I stopped using it kasi nga pinagamit ko sa sister-in-law ko. Andun pa rin yung effect niya. Hindi siya nawawala. Hindi yung katulad ng ibang product na pag tumigil ka sa paggamit nun, wala na. Ito, meron pa rin. Although, if you want, continuous improvement, of course, continuous din yung gamit mo. Another thing, it also works on short lashes. Disclaimer lang. Kaya ako siya pinagamit sa sister-in-law ko. That's why this review took so long. Because I really want to test everything out. Give it a fair chance of winning. Kaya, what else? Medyo expensive lang siya sa mga estudyante out there. Like, it's around 700. Compare mo naman sa castor oil na magkano. But this one, mas nakita ko talaga yung improvement niyan. Feg lang. Tapos yung isa, Feg Pro Advanced. Sabi ni Christina, this is the more, reformulated yata. Reformulated ng Feg Pro. And, ang ko lang dito is, downfall ko lang nito is, ang dami nagkalat na fakes. Promise. I checked Shopee. Kung may nagbibenta ng katulad nung kay Christina, ang daming fake. May 150. Don't be fooled dun sa mga murang yun. Kasi nakita ko rin yung reviews, fake na fake siya. The sticker na quality na nagsasabi na authenticity, it was not really authentic. Kaya medyo nakakatakot din to put nakakatakot siyang gamitin, lalo na pag malapit sa mata mo. So, beware of that. Yung masasabi ko lang talagang real source ng product na to is down below. Again, this is not sponsored, although pinadala sa kanya ni Christina for me to try it out. But she did not pay me to do this review. I will always be honest regarding my opinion. Kaya ako nga pinatry siya sa sister-in-law ko because I really want to give it a fair chance. Na baka kasi sabihin ng mga nanonood na dahil mahaba na yung pilikmata ko before, talagang effective siya. Kasi nga, noon pa siya mahaba. Kahit magalit sa akin yung mga brands, kung sobrang brutally honest ko, okay lang. At least hindi ako nagsinungaling sa subscribers ko. Yun. That is all it for this video. I hope you learned something from it. Be sure to check Christina's shop down below. I will link her her website, her, you know, her Facebook and all that. She's very accommodating. She's very nice. Order from her. Let them know galing kayo sa channel na to. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one.